Well, I think you must have already come to know the fact that the SSC examination pattern has changed and the older two-paper pattern has now been revised to a single paper pattern, which meant some sort of change, and that's what we are going to look at now.
As you can see here, this is the revised single paper pattern. Part A is comprised of 2 comprehension passages and 2 discourses, both major and minor. Now let's see the weightage of marks in part A. Well, as we have just seen, there are 2 comprehension passages and each of them carries 10 marks, and 2 discourses, both major and minor. Major discourse carries 12 marks, minor discourse carries 8 marks. And of course, there's an internal choice between the discourses. So 20 marks for comprehension and 20 marks for discourses. And now 20 plus 20, 40, which is the maximum weightage of marks contained in part A. Well, now coming to part B. Part B also contains a comprehension passage, almost always an unseen poem, which is of course text independent, mind you. And then you have eating of the passage, which is from question number 18 to 22 for 5 marks. And then from question number 23 to 27 for 5 marks, rewrite the sentences as directed, which covers almost all the essentials of grammar. And from question number 28 to 32 for 5 marks again, choose the right word from the 4 choices given, A, B, C or D. Now from question number 33 to 37, you will have to pick the right one from the 2 alternatives found in the bracket. And then you have 5 questions again from question number 38 to 42 for 5 marks, in which you will have to use the right form of the word given in the bracket. And now from question number 43 to 47 for 5 marks, rewrite the underlined words as directed, in which you will be asked to write correct form of the underlined word. It could be a synonym, antonym, or the right alternative, and so on. Well, this brings us to the end of the examination. We are done with it now, and the maximum weightage of marks is 80, which is a revised single paper pattern.